Don't drink and drive. A reminder, a slogan, and a warning that is often left unheeded. But a lawmaker wants to remedy that in the form of a measure that will impose stiffer penalties on those who would disobey it. Mela Las Moras has the full story.
Eduardo has been a bus driver in Quezon City for 8 years now. He shared he has never been involved in any accident during his trips and he takes every precaution to ensure this never happens.
Bago po bumiyahe, check po muna lahat ng mga kailangan, pati na rin sarili. At saka sumunod lagi sa batas trapiko.
Here at the House of Representatives, Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya has filed a new proposal to ensure the safety of travelers, especially during the holiday season. This is House Bill number 11220 or Iwas Amats Iwas Aksidente Bill, seeking to enforce stricter road protocols against drivers who are under the influence of alcohol. Under the bill, the implementation of breathalyzer test to determine if a driver is drunk or intoxicated will be expanded and the metrics will be made stricter. Sendanya stated it is important to strengthen road policies. According to data on road crashes in the country, from 2015 to 2019, over 5,000 of the nearly 19,000 fatalities were alcohol-related.
Kasi sa current laws natin dito sa RA 10586, yung Anti-Drunk and Driving Act of 2013, medyo ang emphasis ay on drunk driving. Pero nakita natin, hindi naman kinakailangan nyengi talaga to be impaired as a driver. So sinasabi natin, baka kinakailangan ibabat pa natin ng konti pa yung threshold in terms of alcohol consumption. Kahit tipsy lang, dapat ipagbawal na talaga.
As for the commuters, are they in favor of this new proposal?
Para walang aksidente, higpitan. Saka baka naka-drugs, diba? Hindi natin alam.
This Christmas season, Congressman Sendanya has this message for everyone.
Kapag may amats na, awat na, kasi ang pinakamagandang regalong maibigay natin sa ating mga pamilya ay makakauwi tayo ng buhay at ng ligtas. Isang ligtas na Pasko sa ating lahat.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.